Welcome to Bike Review Pro, where we focus on motorcycles that balance performance, practicality, and real-world usability. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the new 2026 Honda NC750X, a motorcycle that continues to redefine what a modern crossover bike should be. Known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and everyday comfort, the 2026 NC750X arrives with refined updates while staying true to its smart, rider-focused design. The 2026 Honda NC750X sits in a unique space between adventure touring and daily commuting. It's designed for riders who want versatility without complexity, a bike that can handle city traffic, long highway rides, and light adventure duties with equal confidence. Honda has focused on evolution rather than reinvention. The NC750X remains a practical, efficient, and approachable motorcycle, appealing to new riders, commuters, and experienced motorcyclists looking for a dependable all-rounder. Design and styling visually, the 2026 NC750X carries forward Honda's sharp and modern adventure-inspired design. The front fairing is sleek and aerodynamic, paired with a compact windscreen that offers effective wind protection without adding bulk. The bodywork is clean and purposeful, with strong lines that give the bike a rugged yet refined appearance. Honda offers updated color schemes for 2026, including bold metallic finishes and classic understated tones, enhancing the bike's premium feel. One of the NC750X's standout design features remains its integrated front storage compartment, often referred to as the frunk. This replaces a traditional fuel tank and provides enough space for a full-face helmet or daily essentials, making the bike incredibly practical. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Honda NC750X is a 745cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, tuned for efficiency, smoothness, and strong low-end torque. Rather than chasing high horsepower figures, Honda focuses on usable performance that works well in everyday riding conditions. The engine delivers predictable power with excellent throttle control, making city riding stress-free and highway cruising relaxed. Torque is available early in the rev range, allowing effortless acceleration without constant gear changes. Honda continues to offer the NC750X with a 6-speed manual transmission, as well as the popular dual-clutch transmission, DCT option. The DCT provides seamless automatic shifting, making the bike especially appealing for commuters and riders who prefer a relaxed riding experience. Chassis and handling. The NC750X is built around a diamond-style steel frame, engineered for stability and comfort. The bike feels balanced and planted, whether navigating urban streets or cruising at highway speeds. Suspension duties are handled by upgraded front forks and a rear monoshock, tuned to absorb bumps and road imperfections while maintaining composure during cornering. The setup favors comfort, but still provides enough feedback for confident riding. The 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel give the NC750X a stable and predictable feel. This configuration supports light off-road use, such as gravel roads and uneven surfaces, without compromising road manners. Braking is managed by disc brakes with Honda's refined ABS system, delivering smooth, controlled stopping power in all conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort has always been a strong point of the NC750X, and the 2026 model continues this tradition. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and neutral foot peg placement create a relaxed posture ideal for long rides. The seat is well padded and supportive, designed for extended time in the saddle. Seat height remains accessible, making the bike friendly for riders of different heights and experience levels. Wind protection is effective for daily commuting and touring, reducing fatigue during longer rides. Passenger comfort is also well considered, with a supportive rear seat and sturdy grab handles. Technology and features. The 2026 Honda NC750X comes equipped with modern rider-focused technology. A full-color TFT display provides clear access to riding information, including speed, fuel range, ride modes, and gear position. Smartphone connectivity allows for navigation prompts, call alerts, and media control. Honda includes multiple ride modes, enabling riders to adjust throttle response and traction control based on road conditions. LED lighting is standard throughout, improving visibility and efficiency. Additional features such as cruise control and heated grips may be available depending on the market and variant. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Fuel efficiency is one of the NC750X's strongest advantages. Honda's engine tuning delivers excellent mileage, making the bike cost-effective for daily use and long-distance touring. The combination of low fuel consumption, large storage compartment, and comfortable ergonomics makes the NC750X an ideal commuter and travel companion. Maintenance costs are relatively low, further enhancing its value proposition. Who the NC750X is for the 2026 Honda. NC750X is perfect for riders who want a dependable, versatile motorcycle that fits seamlessly into daily life. It suits commuters, touring riders, and those who prefer comfort and efficiency over aggressive performance. It's especially appealing to riders upgrading from smaller bikes or returning to motorcycling after a break, thanks to its approachable nature and user-friendly design. The new 2026 Honda NC750X continues to prove that smart engineering can be just as exciting as raw performance. With its efficient engine, comfortable ergonomics, advanced features, and unmatched practicality, it remains one of the most sensible and versatile motorcycles in its class. Honda has refined an already excellent formula, making the NC750X an even stronger choice for riders who value reliability, comfort, and everyday usability. Stay connected with Bike Review Pro for more detailed motorcycle reviews, latest launches, and expert insights from the world of two wheels.